I found out about SLU when I was a senior in high school, so I actually came and shadowed, and I fell in love with the curriculum and the students here. I'm really interested in the fashion industry, and the Chaifetz School business courses have allowed me to focus my projects on things that I'm more interested in. In the entrepreneurship program, the first class of the semester, everyone proposes an elevator pitch. I've gotten to work on fashion-related projects from that pitch. Throughout the semester, you actually work out different things about a business model. The final entrepreneurship course, you pitch to real-world investors, which gives you that nerve and experience.
The Applied Portfolio Management class, 15 to 20 students take over 1.5 million of SLU's endowment. Luckily, there's a professor who kind of helps you out, but it's rare for an undergraduate to have this opportunity.
You also go through business foundation courses, and those courses help you get a LinkedIn set up, help you with interviews, really the nuts and bolts to earning an internship. I had an internship at the St. Louis Fashion Fund, and following my freshman year at school, I moved to New York and worked for a luxury line called Celine. I was a buying intern, which means I looked at really big Excel spreadsheets of shoes and purses. I would say every single one of my friends in the business school has had at least one internship, and I think SLU sets you up for that.
The internship that I have right now is definitely what I envisioned when I came into the business school. I'm at Cardinal Health in Ohio. I loved my internship, came back, got the full-time offer, so I'll be there in July. Having a job after graduation, I'm so happy that I did go to career services. They helped me a lot with career fairs and interviews and getting my resume checked, getting my marketing pitch, and without that, I probably wouldn't be here.
Being in St. Louis and having all these businesses right outside campus gives us so many opportunities. Internships, experience networking, and things like that.
I'll be joining Dimensional Fund Advisors in the fall. I think most students leave SLU and they actually get a job that they're very excited about, which is great.
Having the professors and the hands-on tools in the business school to help me get a job after graduation has really calmed my nerves.
When you actually go in for an interview for a job, not just say, oh, I know the theory behind it, you can say, yeah, I saw the theory in practice.